Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your iCloud and backup state so you know where deleted contacts might live. Open Settings and verify you're signed into the correct Apple ID and that Contact Sync is enabled or disabled intentionally. Next, check for an iCloud or iPhone backup in Settings. Your name iCloud Manage Storage and Quick Scan iPhone Storage Backups. Once done, open the Contacts and Phone apps so you can immediately test recovery methods and restore options without losing time. Now you dig into connected accounts and iCloud to locate deleted entries. Inspect each email account under Settings, Contacts, Accounts, and toggle contacts onto Resync. Sometimes deleted items reappear. Sign into iCloud. From a browser, open Contacts, and use the search box. If contacts were removed recently, use iCloud Settings, restore contacts to roll back to a prior snapshot. Also check any recently deleted folder or third-party providers, such as Google or Exchange, because they often retain items longer than your device. Finally, perform restores carefully. If iCloud Restore is available, choose the snapshot date that likely contains the contacts. Otherwise, restore your iPhone from an iTunes or Finder backup on your computer. If no backups exist, consider reputable third-party recovery tools as a last resort and confirm they support encrypted backups. Make sure to sync contacts after any restore. Troubleshooting tip: if results are inconsistent, sign out and back into iCloud. Toggle contacts off/on, restart the iPhone, then allow a few minutes for resync before concluding recovery failed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.